Hello, it's Melanie Albert here in Phoenix, Arizona at the farm at South Mountain doing my Friday routine, picking up my CSA, enjoying a little bit of self-care. And then I'm going to go home, create some recipes with the CSA, community supported agriculture. Just soaking it in. I hope everybody has a little bit of time this weekend to do a little bit of cooking with your family and also some self-care time. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. Hello, it's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition and author of the cookbook, A New View of Healthy Eating. And today I'm happy to share with you the CSA, the Community Supported Agriculture from the farm at South Mountain Soil and Seed Garden here in Phoenix, Arizona, really close to my home. So we have some beautiful lettuce. We still have citrus in season, some grapefruits, the glacier lettuce that adds a nice little acidity and beauty to our salads. Lots of roots, different carrots and beets, along with Swiss chard. We also have fresh herbs growing, sage, which really goes a long way, lemon basil, which I'm loving right now, fresh mint, and I'm especially excited about the zucchini. So it's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I'm getting ready to create a recipe with a CSA from the Soil and Seed Garden at the farm at South Mountain. Hello, this is Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I'm the author of the cookbook, A New View of Healthy Eating. And I literally just got back from the farm at South Mountain picking up their CSA, and I have to tell you, it is already summertime here. It's May 1st, 2020. It's 99 degrees here in Phoenix. Sunflowers are already blooming. Zucchini already in season, a summer crop. This is actually a Costada Romanesco Zucchini, and what I decided to do today is to spiralize the zucchini and then create a cream sauce, a really simple cream sauce with raw cashews, along with an acid, fat, and salt salad dressing. And we're gonna add some fresh onions, along with fresh herbs from the farm at South Mountain. So we're gonna experiment with mint and lemon basil today. So I'm gonna spiralize the zucchini, add in a few carrots, make the dressing, and show you how to make a really simple summer zucchini salad. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. For the zucchini salad, we have the zucchini, the Costada Romanesco Zucchini, which is over 2 pounds, a few carrots, and the dressing is the cashew cream with the cashews, olive oil, grapefruit, salt, green onions, along with the fresh basil and fresh mint. For the cashew cream sauce, I will first prep all the ingredients. I'll be zesting the grapefruit and squeezing some juice, chopping the onions, along with chopping the mint and the lemon basil. And then all of the ingredients are going to go right into the food processor for the cashew cream. All of the ingredients are now set for our raw cashew cream, our mise en place, very nice and organized. We have the cashews that soaked in water for about 3 hours. We have our acid, fat, and salt all set. So we have the grapefruit juice and the grapefruit zest, the olive oil, a little bit of salt, and our flavorings. We have lemon basil, fresh mint, and some green onions. And all of these are going to go right into the food processor, and that's our cashew cream. All of the ingredients for the raw cashew cream have been blended in the food processor, and I do have to tell you, I took a little taste, and it is so fresh and is just really nice to start the summer. So now it's time to spiralize the zucchini, and what I'm going to do is take the zucchini and cut it into about 1.5 to 2 inch slices, making sure that each end is flat. And the reason that we do that is when we put it over here into the spiralizer, it will fit in right here with a flat end and a flat end. And then the way we work this is we're going to put the zucchini in right here, twist the handle away from us so the zucchini will be spinning, and at the same time we're going to push in going forward with this lever. So we're going to spiralize out and push in at the same time, and that way the zucchini will be spiralized. So let's get started. To add a little bit of color to the zucchini salad, I'm going to take some carrots, peel them, and add those peels into the zucchini and the dressing. So I just came out to my little edible garden, and I have a few tomatoes. So those are going to go into the zucchini salad as well. So now I'm ready to plate our zucchini salad, and I have made the cream sauce, the cashew cream with the fresh herbs and the grapefruit, have spiralized the zucchini, peeled some carrots to add a little bit of color, and I'm actually going to be plating with a few extras. We have a red chard, green onions, fresh herbs, and tomatoes from my garden, along with some edible flowers. So it's going to be time to plate. The first step with the zucchini salad is to gently toss the zucchini with the cashew cream and the carrots, and then I'll mindfully plate with all of the other ingredients. Before we plate, let's pause and take another look at our beautiful ingredients. We have the red chard, fresh herbs, green onions, the zucchini with the cashew cream, a few little extra carrots, tomatoes, some chopped onions, a little extra cashew cream in case we need that, and edible flowers. I'm happy to share with you the zucchini salad with the raw cashew cream right here in my edible garden. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition. So I'm really happy to share this simple, delicious, beautiful recipe with you. It's the zucchini salad with the raw cashew cream. And what you can do is grab any kind of zucchini that you can from your local farmer, your local farmer's market, or your grocery store. And to make the cashew cream, whatever herbs and spices that you have, whatever citrus, Just enjoy cooking with your family. I know so many people are at home right now, so enjoy cooking. Just, it's part of the mindfulness. For me, it is a lot of self-care. I'm getting a little emotional saying this, but it is. Cooking for me, I slow down, I become really grounded, and it's self-care. So maybe you can enjoy some self-care with your cooking as well. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition.